Nestled in the heart of Springfield, Illinois, the Lincoln Home National Historic Site invites visitors to step back in time and experience the life of America's 16th President, Abraham Lincoln, before he became the leader of the nation. This historic site is not just a home, but a tribute to Lincoln's belief in the opportunity for all to achieve greater economic and social status. As visitors enter the site, they are transported back to a time when Lincoln was a spouse, parent, and neighbor, grappling with the hopes, dreams, and challenges of his era. The original home, a two-story tan structure with green shutters, warmly adorned with red, white, and blue bunting, stands as a testament to Lincoln's humble beginnings. The site is an immersive environment where the past echoes through the rooms and corridors, offering an engaging and educational experience. Visitors can explore the Lincoln home and neighborhood through guided tours or self-guided walking tours, gaining insights into Lincoln's everyday life. The site also offers a variety of activities, such as cultural demonstrations and reenactments, showcasing the backdrop against which Lincoln carved his place in history. The Junior Ranger program is designed for younger visitors to learn about Lincoln's legacy, while the museum's carefully curated exhibits offer a broader perspective on Lincoln's life and times. The National Park Service has masterfully preserved not just the Lincoln home but the surrounding neighborhood as well. Visitors can explore the meticulously maintained Harriet Dean House and Arnold House, which offer additional exhibits on the Lincoln family and historic preservation efforts. As they stroll along 8th Street, visitors encounter wayside exhibits that tell stories about the Lincoln's neighbors and the broader community of the time. The site's heirloom garden is a true delight, offering a quiet green space that showcases heirloom vegetables reflective of the era. As the seasons change, so does the garden, providing a beautiful space for contemplation and connection with the past. When planning your visit, it's important to consider the weather in Springfield, which can be quite varied. Winters may bring cold temperatures and snow, while summers are typically warm and humid, sometimes punctuated by rainstorms and thunderstorms. Dressing appropriately and wearing comfortable shoes is recommended for the best experience. A visit to the Lincoln Home National Historic Site is more than just a step back in time. It's an opportunity to reflect on the growth of America through the lens of one of its most influential figures. Here, amidst the home and streets where Lincoln once walked, history is not just remembered, it's felt. Whether you're a history buff, a fan of presidential lore, or simply looking for an enriching cultural experience, the Lincoln Home National Historic Site awaits you. Learn more at mustdothings.com. Be sure to subscribe for many more inspiring videos about national parks.